Come on, Rip. So this mower hasn't been starting very well. So you won't have to get on it, but I guess you can, it don't matter. So I'm pretty sure the battery is crap. You won't need to move the seat either, bud. All you're gonna do is turn the key. So if I check voltage, I'm showing 13 volts. Some of this stuff is gonna move. All right, here's the key. When I tell you when to crank it, I'll tell you when to crank it. All right, crank it. Okay, stop. Crank it again. Okay, stop. Yeah, like 4 volts. So, yeah, I need to change this battery. This thing out of here. Fastback 1505. It's a good battery mount there. Zip tie. All right, we need to one. 330 cold cranking amps. It's time. there's our new battery. Should be all the same. 350 cold cranking amps. And then they mark the date on the battery. I'm still gonna write it on here with a paint marker, but January, February, March, April, May, June, then July, which it is, so they scratched that off. And then the rest of the months of the year, and then 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 0. It's 2023, so they scratched the 3 off, but this thing will get dirty and all that crap. So I'll just use a paint marker and write the year on it. That ought to work. Let's get this thing back in here. Yeah, that'll work. So, oh, I already scraped my paint date off of there. I'll have to just rewrite it, but whatever. So, new battery in. This is a good mower. It's only, I've had it about 5 years now. Pretty sure I bought it in 2018. But, yeah, that battery ought to help a ton. Right up. That's what she needed. Well, I think that's going to probably do it for this one. John Deere E120 battery swap. It's a good mower. It's a good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.